How to turn on battery saver mode on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on battery saver mode on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside it, you can simply scroll down and there you can simply tap on battery. And now here in this section, you can simply scroll down and from here you can simply tap on current mode option. And now here from the pop-up menu, you can simply tap on battery saver option and tap on OK. And here once you do that, battery saver mode will be active. Now here on some phones, it will allow automatic battery saver at a specific battery percentage. For example, some devices can turn on automatically at 15 or 20% battery. And that's it. That's how you can turn on battery saver mode on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.